Hello, good morning. Hello, this is Janpha Thadphoothon and your teacher. I'm here in my cubicle. Very good morning to you. What I'm doing now is preparing the second assignment for you. So let me go over to my PowerPoint slides. Okay. Uh, the second assignment is 15% of your evaluation, and the theme is social media discourse analysis. And as you can see, I'm giving you the deadline, which is no later than June the 18th, 2020. So the idea is for you to analyze um, social media discourses or texts, okay, using the knowledge and the skills from uh, our course, English Discourse. Okay. Now, the assignment is 15%, as I just mentioned, entailing two parts. Now, the first is a written report, and this is accounted for 10% of the total assignment score, and the oral presentation accompanied by PowerPoint slides. This is to be done on the internet, and it is 5%. Okay. Now, what are you going to analyze? You know that social media is every human. It's just one of the things that we have to do, that we have to use. I mean, you don't have to use, but everybody is using social media for various communication purposes. And there are a lot of texts and discourses on social media on the internet. So because of that, people spend a great deal of time using social media. Some of you even spend more than 10 hours on the phone, on a smartphone, and social media is on all the time. Everybody is online, I suppose. So it's a good idea maybe to somehow look into a uh, the use of social media, how people communicate, and the language of the social media, uh, and how the language that people use on social media uh, reflects the social structure of what's going on in our society in general. And there are many topics as you can see on the screen. You can look into the humor on Facebook chats. Okay. And so what you need to do is you look into the chats, the discussing function, and then try to look for uh, what you consider to be humans, funny things on the Facebook chats. You can Another topic would be how do people express their political impartiality on social media. Uh, Impartiality means neutral, being neutral. How do people try to be politically correct by not siding with the left or the right, not siding with the yellow or the red? Okay, how do they achieve their political impartiality on social media, for example? And framing on YouTube comments, this is also another topic that I recommend that you do. Framing means expressing dissatisfaction, expressing angers. and also non-fluency features on three online chats. You need to kind of limit the domain or the scope of your analysis because social media is too huge. You need to narrow it down somehow to the area. Area mean the time and the space that uh, that you can handle. Okay, like non-fluency features in three online chats, not every chat, but only three of them. And number five, this is an example. You don't have to follow this, by the way. Just my recommendation. Number five, you can look into the politeness strategies from online chats. For example, Facebook chats or maybe Line communication, Line chats, and of course you have to look into the strategies in terms of politeness strategy. Six, ellipses and substitution in three online chats. Look into the cohesive device. Seven, speaking analysis of their harm. You analyze the text. For example, here from three IG chats, Instagram chats, okay? Deictic language in so and so. Number nine, maxims and maxim flouting. And the reason why people do not follow the maxims. You have to understand crisis maxims beforehand. And number 10, you can actually conduct a speech act analysis of some social media chats. These are all the examples. There are plenty more, okay? But just to give you some idea, okay? And if you have your own idea, you can propose it to me. That's why I have 5 steps for you to follow. Number one, you need to propose a topic and the rationale for conducting a discourse analysis of the topics next week. Next week means starting Monday. Two, you need to collect the data. The data will can be the text, spoken or written, or the combination of both in the case of social media discourses. And then you do the analysis, collect the data, you do the analysis, and after doing the analysis, you write up the report with proper citation and references, and then you prepare the PowerPoint slides, and you actually have to orally present your finding and your assignment and do it on it and send me the link so that I can have a look at it. So these are the steps that you need to follow. So I have talked to you about your assignment too. I told you that the assignment is 15% of your total evaluation, and the theme for your second assignment is on social media discourse. So there are many topics that you need to that you can analyze. So I would like you to think about that and then tell me propose a topic for your analysis on Monday next week. And then if you have any other issue or question, you can uh, ask me. Okay, that's all. Now let me stop this.